Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and for baking tutorials. Now in the last video I've showed you how to make the devil's fruit cupcakes. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the Jamaican ginger cake. First of all, we need to sift the flour, which is 200 grams plain flour. The bicarbonate of soda, which is 2 teaspoons. And spices. I've got 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a teaspoon of mixed spice. And give this a sieve through with the sieve. So if there's any lumps, like lumps of spices, give it a scrape through so there's no lumps appearing as a dry mixture. Once you've added the spices, soda and the flour, add 100 grams of cured butter, once it's been put in, rub it with your fingers. Make sure to rub it in until you don't see any butter in it. Rub it in until if you were making a pastry. in this bowl. I got 100 grams of golden syrup and 100 grams of black treacle. Next is to melt the treacle and the syrup, and to that add 100 grams of dark Muscovado sugar. Melt that until the sugar is dissolved for 4 to 5 minutes. This is the mixture that the sugar is dissolved. When this mixture is no longer grainy, remove from the heat and add 200 ml of milk. Now pour the half of the syrup mixture into the dry ingredients. And then mix it together until thick batters form. Once you've formed a thick batter in this cake, add 1 egg. And mix this until it is combined. And then add the remaining half of the mixture until it is beaten smoothly. Now pour the batter into the tin. That is a mixture that is being filled with the loaf tin. Now I preheated the oven to 180 degrees C and bake it for 50 to 50 minutes until it forms like a cake. So pause the video now. I'm going to show you what it turns like. This is a cake that has been done after the oven and baked. This is a recipe that could smell the spices like the cinnamon and the mixed spice. So I showed you how to make this kind of cake, so if you like this recipe, don't forget to like this button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it. So I hope so. Then bye. See you in the next video.